Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're about a brand new benchmark. It's Tales of Arise for the PC. So we're running this on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the Intel HD 4600 integrated graphics, and we'll see today how this modern title handles this very old integrated graphics. Not great, right off the bat, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be, to be honest with you. Like, there is a lot of room for improvement here. So we're running at 960 by 540 on the lowest preset, dropping this down because the resolution scaling only goes down in 50s or 100 for some reason. You can change that in the config file, but I won't for the purpose of the video, because I feel like if I change it, 50% will probably give me enough. But at 960 by 540, the game is playing at around an average of around 25 FPS, which is pretty impressive if you ask me. Now, we actually can lower the resolution lower, but I'm going to want to use the internal resolution scaling rather than that instead, because it is pretty impressive. So it does play, which is the most important thing. This is very playable on Intel HD 4600. Like, there's no question. You can definitely play it.
What's this thing?
Will you enjoy it? That's another question, but you can definitely play it. We're gonna get into a fight real quick because the fights are less intensive and see what happens.
I'll take you all on.
Huh, it's keeping around the same course fight actually. But once again,
Don't
there's
go
no
charging
stutter.
like
It
that.
is
Yes, we
running
got a
all the way.
I'm on it.
Which is definitely the most important thing. The fact that it manages to keep playing the same way.
Everything's coming up, Zephyr.
I'm actually now going to carry down the resolution scaling to see if I can get it to run at
What's this thing?
over 30 FPS. Let's see. I mean, 50% dropping. I would imagine you can do 30 now. Okay, let's find out, guys. First time ever. Oh my gosh, look at that performance went up. It looks like a pixelated mess, but we're getting over 30 FPS now. The thing about it is the anti-aliasing. I would put on anti-aliasing just to make it look better, but I feel like sometimes that takes up a bit too much performance. We'll see. That did better. In case you want to run it like that, that made it look better. But it also has it looking weird now. There's like this the TA is not doing it justice. But you know, potato, it's running. The fact that I can even achieve this sort of thing is quite crazy, to be honest with you. Yeah, I don't like how it looks. It looks extremely weird. Like, I feel like the 100% at 960 by 440 was doing it justice. Like, I feel like we could live with it. We could live there.
Okay, people, this is it. Ulzebek.
No sign of any Renin guardsmen.
The Renins aren't as populous as the Danins. Probably
Oh,
figure
wow, we even
stationing
lost
guards in a
frames
place
there.
like this would be a waste of precious manpower.
We actually lost frames
So-
there. You see, because in this game, the aliasing it really affects it. And the aliasing and the anisotropic, it really affects this game. Honestly, your best bet is probably playing at the native, or you can, once again, like I said, you can simply go into the config file and change around the settings. Yeah, like that works for me, dude. Like, it's not sugarcoated. It still looks quite nice, and yeah, you're not gonna get 30 FPS. You might not even get 20, but if you change it, you definitely would get more. Because now, even at this point, even at that 50% gives me an extra what? 5 FPS sometimes. That seems a bit low, but hey.
Zephyr, you made it! See? I told you there's no way Zephyr would have kicked the bucket.
Fine, you were right. So, what's the plan?
Well, we've got an ace up our sleeve, and the enemy's in disarray. I say we strike while the iron's hot.
So we're finally going head-to-head with Balseph.
That's right. We can't afford to mess this
Now,
up.
if you're wondering why
It's
I
now or
complain a
never.
bit too much, I am running on a
Then now it
1080p
is.
screen, so
We've
when I
all been
change the
waiting for this
resolution,
day
it
for
looks
far
crazy.
too long.
When I look across at my laptop
Leave the
that's
plan
actually
to me.
capturing the footage,
In the meantime,
it looks so much better. It's shocking.
you two need to do something about your outfits.
Like, the difference is staggering when I look at just the laptop capturing it. Oh my gosh. It actually looks quite good. That ain't the case. Crap's hurting my eyes. What is running?
Nath, we need your help.
Ah, damn. Never the manpower when you... Huh? Help, huh? What kind? Is it urgent?
Well, no, not exactly.
Well, in that case, would you mind helping me out with something first? The work's really piled up around here.
What is it you'd like us to do?
Anything you can manage. No one cares about us slaves. That's why it's all the more important that we stick together and take care of each other. Check in with that guy over there for details on what needs doing. And thanks in advance.
You see anybody around here who could use our help?
We can't chase after every little thing.
Hey,
Yes!
I guess. Got it. I had no idea the Crimson Crows were so active.
You sound pretty thrilled by that.